Roskilde Festival is North Europe's biggest annual culture and music festival and has existed since 1971. The festival is what our city Roskilde is known for in the west of Denmark.
The festival lasts for a week and you can camp in a tent or visit for just one day. The campsite area is nearly 80 hectares. When you have bought the ticket, the camping is free. The guests are arriving Sunday and the festival starts Thursday. The guests live in camps with their friends. People come from all over Denmark to hear the music, meet new people and drink. There are also a lot of volunteers who help with the festival.
This year Roskilde Festival was visited by thousands of guests. The exact number of guests 2009 was 67,413 all-week guests and 12,931 one-day guests. Mostly Danish people visit the Roskilde Festival, but also people from Sweden, Norway, Germany, Finland and England. 78% of the visitors were from Denmark, 11% from Norway and 8% from Sweden.
There are 8 stages, and different genres are played at different stages. The biggest stage is Orange Stage and has capacity for more than 60,000 people. Through the year, a lot of famous musicians and bands have visited Roskilde Festival, such as Bob Marley, Nirvana, Red Hot Chili Peppers, Metallica, The Who, Robbie Williams, Kanye West and Green Day.